Well, welcome back to Big Beautiful Traveling. I'm going to be opening up my new delivery here I got of my Schrockworks windshield washer relocation kit from my 2013 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Alright, let's see what we got. It's like the instructions. From what I've seen, this seems to be a pretty easy relocation set. So here's the instructions. See what kind of goodies we got here. Looks like the tank. And the mounting bracket. And it looks like all the extension stuff is right there with it. Let me get all this opened up and we'll come back. Alright, I got everything all undone. That's set out. Here's the new extension power and control switch cable for it. Looks like I got all the hardware, nuts, bolts, and everything for it. This will be the mounting bracket that I'll mount up on the fender well up towards the firewall. And then I will reutilize my pumps and stuff. And that's a nice aluminum, nice looking kit. It's got a gauge on the side of it so I can see how much is in it. So that's what I'm going to be putting in this coming weekend, or next weekend. I'll do a video on that. As you can see, I put a new bumper on this last year, a year and a half ago, and my washer fluid container is exposed now, so it's going to get relocated from down in this corner right into right here. There's already bolts here, or a stud here and back over here where that bracket will mount onto, and then that washer tank will mount right on top of that. So should be pretty much plug and play. A few minutes of getting her put in. Like I said, I'll do a video of that. And thanks for watching.